Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel, Quickera Global. The UK and a new immigration reform. What are the requirements for those applying for residency in 2026? Extended deadlines, minimum income criteria, impeccable track record, and integration tests are some of the conditions required in the new regulations that will come into effect next February. In November, the British government unveiled its biggest immigration reform in half a century, with a model that favors residency for those who demonstrate high income or international talent while tightening requirements for all other migrants. The announcement was made by Home Secretary Shabana Mahmood and published on gov.uk, the official UK government website. New fast track to high income and recognized talent. The immigration reform introduces a priority route for those who demonstrate high incomes or have professional profiles strategic to the British economy. Individuals who can prove an annual income of at least £125,140, $161,775 for the 3 years prior to applying will be able to obtain permanent residency in just 3 years, a significant reduction compared to the general timeframes under the new system. For those earning £50,270, $64,900 or more per year, the repayment period will be 5 years. This pathway is designed to attract executives, entrepreneurs, scientists, and other highly qualified professionals who, according to the government, can generate an immediate economic and social impact. In addition to high-income groups, the reform benefits those who obtain special visas such as Global Talent or Innovator Founder. These programs are particularly relevant for those who excel in areas of innovation, technology, and science. Healthcare professionals with proven track records, such as NHS doctors and nurses, are also included and will be able to apply for residency after 5 years of service in the healthcare system. Increased restrictions and deadlines for most migrants. For all other migrants, immigration policy will be much more demanding and restrictive. The standard period for applying for permanent residency will double from 5 to 10 years. The system will be structured around 4 pillars: character, integration, contribution, and residency, and will require a clean criminal record, advanced English proficiency, and proof of integration into the local community. Those who have relied on social assistance for more than a year will face waits of up to 20 years to access residency, while undocumented migrants or those who have violated immigration rules could wait up to 30 years to regularize their status, according to details provided by The Guardian. Impact on essential workers and family reconfiguration. The new rules will have a significant impact on hundreds of thousands of essential workers, particularly in the health and social services sectors. Under the new framework, those who migrated to the UK in these roles along with their families between 2022 and 2024 will have to wait at least 15 years before being able to apply for permanent residency. If they have relied on social assistance for more than a year during that period, the wait could be extended to 25 years, effectively requiring prolonged integration and financial self-sufficiency under demanding conditions. The model also introduces a radical change in the treatment of family ties. Only children under 18 will be able to obtain residency automatically when the main applicant obtains it. Adult dependents will be subject to additional requirements, which fragments family processes and increases uncertainty for migrant households. Entry into force and next steps. The government will open a public consultation until February 12, 2026, and plans to implement the new rules starting in the spring of that year. The provisions for migrants already legally residing in the UK will be defined after the consultation, although the stated objective is for everyone to adapt to the contribution-based scheme. The reform marks a new paradigm in British migration. Permanent residence and citizenship will be reserved for those who tangibly demonstrate their sustained economic and social contribution, while access to benefits and rights will depend on compliance with demanding conditions. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for updates. See you in the next video. Take care.